Hello everyone and welcome back to new tab. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Huawei Honor 4 with your phone. So first you have to grab your user manual and you can see the QR code, so you go and scan it. Now it's showing us the website. We go to website. And now we see the app. So this is Huawei Health. This is the app for Honor 4. We click install and now we wait. So now it's installing. So now the app is installed. We go and open it. So you have to agree with the app. You have to allow the app and your location and your phone. So now this is the first page. So you have to go to Me, My Device, Add, Smart Band. You have to find your smartwatch, in this case the Honor 4. So here's the Honor 4. You go and pair it. You enable the Bluetooth. So here's the Honor 4. Now it's asking for permission and it's vibrating. We go and click yes. And it's paired. So after it's paired, you can see the time, it's synchronized and everything is same, the weather and the other things. So as we see here, it came to an update. We will update that later and we will show in other video. So for notification part, you have to enable notification. For health, to get notification in your smartwatch. So here are some of my favorite app. I will enable them to notify in my Honor 4. So this is the Honor 4 page. As we can see, is the Honor 4 here, and it's showing that it's connected, 17% battery. So here we have steps, calories and distance. It's going to show everything that we do in one day. Next we have help, in case we don't know something. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment. Now we have Huawei True Sleep. So this will monitorate your sleep and will save the data here in the app. You can see the result. Next we have activity reminder. So we enable this. Will alert our watch to stand up a little bit if you sat for a long time. Next we have continuous heart rate monitoring. So this will activate heart monitoring, as you can see, and will notify us for every single thing. Next we have alarm. So we can customize our alarm or put our alarm here, and will notify in the Honor 4. Next we have do not disturb. If we don't want to take any notification in our smartwatch, we enable this option. We can customize it where to start and when to end. Next we have the notification part. So the notification is on. We can put whatever we want to notify us. Next we have Bluetooth disconnecting reminder. If it's disconnected, it's going to remind us. We have function customizing. So if you want the sleep monitoring to be in first position, you just grab that and slide it up. For example, Alipay, I want in the down. Here you can customize however you want. Next we have raise wrist to wake screen. So this option will make the watch to wake up after you move it. Next we have rotate to switch screen. So this function, if you are using the Honor 4, will change the screen after you move it with your hand. Next we have auto download update package over Wi-Fi. So if any update comes, it will automatically update over Wi-Fi. Here we have a firmware update. So we have a new firmware update, and we will show you how to update the newest firmware in other video. Now we have factory reset settings. So if you want to reset the app or the watch, you can go here. And the last is unpair, if you want to unpair the Honor 4 with your app. So let's go to the first page, and here is in the top right is the update. Here is going to show the activity for today. Steps. If you go to steps, you have the statistic for this day, or for a week, month, or for a year. Down we have total steps and the average steps, or the activity for running, walking, or climbing. Next we have the moderate to high intensity. So for example, for running, walking, cycling, training, or other things, you can see for everything the statistic for this day, week, month, or the year. Next we have distance. So here it will show the distance that we made today in total. So you can change the hour and see for how long you walked, or for running, walking, and other different sports. Here we have burn calories. So here's gonna show for every different sport how many calories you burned. For example, for running, the percentage is here, and for walking, cycling, climbing and other sports it's gonna show everything. Here we have exercise record, so we have no data, and here is gonna show the record of your exercise, so you can see the statistic, or you can add something. For example, you can choose your fitness activity and you can customize other things. Here we have sleep, and here we can see the average sleep time and the statistic for sleep for 1 day, week, month or year. Next we have weight, so you can customize your weight and see the changes. For example, last week, last month and now. You can go to measure and you can measure your body fat, and more. You can customize your goals, step goals and weight goals. Next we have heart rate. So if you enable the heart rate for 24 hours, you can see the result here, and it's gonna show you in the real time the result for heart rate for 1 day, week or month. So here's the heart rate. The average heart rate is here, and in the top right you can customize it. For example, heart rate warning to alert you, heart rate limit, and you can customize the heart rate maximum. Here we have the in different colors. For example, extreme, aerobic, fat burning and warm up. Here we have sort cards, so you can change how you like it. Next we have exercise. So for example, if you're outdoor running or indoor running, you can press play, and here is the map. It's gonna show you where you run and for how long you run. Same with walking, cycling. Here in training you have different plans. So here we have 5 kilometers training plan. We have 10 kilometers, 13.1 and 26.2. Here we have records. This is training history. So if you run before, you can compare it with now and how you were in last month. Here we have fitness term. You can read about heart rate, steps, running form, training performance and swimming performance. Next we have me. So this is the profile page. So here you can go to goals, customize your goals. You can go to profile, change all your profile data. You can change the gender, date of birth, height and weight. Here we have messages. So any messages it comes, it's right here. Here's my device. It's showing this device and it's showing that it's connected, the percentage of battery, etc. Next we have data sharing. So you can link with Google Fit and MyFitnessPal. Here we have settings. So we have notification management. You can turn on and off. For example, show steps count in notification panel. It's on. Notify when steps target is reached. So when you set your goal, it's gonna show you the target when it's reached. Show notification in notification panel. It's gonna show here in screen every notification that comes. Heartrate limit and zones. We saw this before in Heartrate limit zone. We have unit. You can change to metric. Here we have the source license, privacy settings, and clear cache if you want to clear cache of the app. Last we have about. So here is the version of the health app. And this was all for the app for Honor 4. And please subscribe our channel and see you in the next video.